Question number 2b, y equals to bracket and x plus 1 whole square minus 5. Right? They have told us to sketch the curve. I have to sketch the curve. I have to get minimum or maximum value of y and corresponding value of x. So I'm using completing square method. Why I am using completing square method? Because I have got only single variable of x, which is already enclosed in a bracket with the square over there. So when I have got this thing, I can go with completing square method. Now, my formula for completing square method is ax minus h whole square plus k. My formula for completing square method is y equals to a bracket x minus h whole square plus k. Okay, so I will start comparing. First of all, a, which is whatever is the coefficient which is written outside the bracket. Okay, that is the value of a in the equation, which is the coefficient written outside the bracket. So, what is written over here? If nothing is mentioned, what is written over here outside this bracket? Now, outside the bracket, they haven't mentioned anything over here. But if no coefficient is written, we always say that the value of coefficient will be 1. If nothing is mentioned over here, it means that is 1. So value of a over here is going to be 1. Okay. Now, which is greater than 0? Value of a is 1, which is greater than 0. So what I am going to evaluate from here means that I am going to have a minimum curve which will be drawn something like this. Okay, so I have got my first thing, that is a, which is coming 1 over a. After that, I am going for that thing which is being added with this one. Okay, which is being added, or it can be subtracted also. Both things will be same. So what is there? That is k. And when I compare it with this one, so it is coming minus 5. So the value of k is minus 5, which represents what? Y coordinate of turning point. Y coordinate of the turning point is represented by k over here in this question. Okay. After that, I have got minimum or maximum. So I have got minimum, value of y. I have got value of y, corresponding value of x. Now I have to find the value which is corresponding to this on x-axis. I have to find that. And how will I get that one? It is represented by this minus h equals to 1. So the value of h will be, I will shift minus sign over here. Value of h is minus 1, which is x coordinate of turning point. That is x coordinate of the turning point. Okay. I have got this thing done, this is done, this is done. After that, we are saying sketch curve. I have to sketch curve by indicating y-intercept. By indicating y-intercept. Okay. And what is the meaning of y-intercept? Value of x will be equals to 0. Y-intercept means value of x will be 0, or where your curve is going to intersect y-axis. Okay. So x equals to 0. Where will I plot it? I will plot it over here. Okay. So y equals to bracket x is 0 plus 1 whole square minus 5. Y equals to 0 plus 1 is 1 whole square is 1 minus 5. Y equals to 1 minus 5 is minus 4 when any value of x is 0. Okay. So now I have got my y-intercept also. I have got my minimum or maximum. So that is minimum I have got. I have got value of y, that is coming minus 5. I have got value of x of turning point, that is coming minus 1 in this question. I have to sketch the curve by indicating y-axis, y-intercept. Y-intercept is coming minus 4. Okay. Now I am going to sketch my curve. H is minus 1, K is minus 5. H is minus 1 and K is minus 5. Okay. So this is 0. Minus 1 means H of minus 1 means x-axis. So x-axis minus 1 will be over here. K is minus 5 y-axis. So minus 5 will be somewhere over. Minus 5 will be somewhere over. I'm marking it over here, beta. Again, that's my choice. I'm doing rough work. Okay. So minus 5 and minus 1 will be. This is the point for turning point. After that, y-intercept is minus 4. So this is minus 5. So I can say minus 4 will be somewhere over here. It's a rough sketching, so I don't have to worry. Okay, the distance should be same or thing like that. No, I don't have to worry about that one. So what will I do? From the turning point to y-intercept going on like this. Y-intercept and turning going on like this. Okay. That's your graph. Turning point, from turning point y-intercept going in that direction, turning point and then going in this direction. There is no particular direction that you have to go in that direction. No, just a simple plane curve should be formed, and this is how you are going to get your curve.